Okay, today we're going to be reviewing the strategy of using an open number line to solve double-digit subtraction. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So our first problem is 45 subtract 22. So what we're going to do first is we'll create an open number line. And we're going to start on the right side of the number line with the number 45. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to jump back 2 tens and 2 ones. So we'll start with the tens. So that's 10 and that's 20. We stop there and we label that answer. So each one of these is jumping back by 10 for a total of 20. Our next jumps will be 2 ones, 1, 2. So that's a total of 2 jumps, and we'll get our final answer right there. So what I have to do is I have to start at the number 45. Right here is 45 on the number line. I count backwards 10. That's 35. I count backwards 10 more. That's 25, and I write that down. I'm at 25, and then I count by ones. 25, 24, 23. So we're going to write those things down right now. So that's what we're doing when we're jumping backwards on an open number line. So here I go. 45, backwards 10, 35. Subtract 10, it's 25. I write that number down. I stop for a moment and I remind myself that I'm counting back by ones now. So 25 is here, go back 1, 24. Another one, 23. My final answer is 23. Okay, so now in this problem, we're going to solve for 73 subtract 38. So we'll go ahead and we'll make our open number line. And on the right side, we'll write down number 73. And we're going to be jumping back 3 tens and 8 ones. So I'll come to 73 and I'll first start with 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. I'll stop there to write down that number. And then I'll jump back 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost ran out of space there. Okay, so now I'll go back and I will count backwards from 73. Remember, this is 30. Each jump is valued at 10. And remember, this is the subtracting of the 8. And each one of these is valued at a 1, okay? So let's go to the 73. And this is 73, 63, 53, 43. I write that down, 43. Now I'm going to count backwards by ones, starting at 43, okay? 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. I land on 35, and that is the answer. 73 minus 38 is 35. Okay, so now we'll be solving for 67 minus 34. Go ahead and make your open number line. We'll start with the number 67. We'll jump backwards 3 tens. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, right there. Each one of these is going back by 10. Altogether, it's 30. Now we're going to jump back 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes I just put a take away 1 there and I just draw a little line like that. just to remind myself that those are ones. Okay, so here we go. I'll start back at the beginning. 67, 57, 47, 37. This is why we've been practicing counting backwards and forwards by 10. You must have this mastered in order to be successful on an open number line, okay? So now I'm at 37. I'm going to count by ones. 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. The answer is 33. Okay, wipe your board off and let's get ready for another problem. We have 93 subtract 46. Open number line, starting with 93. We'll go ahead and jump back 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, just like that. That's 40 all together, and each one of the little jumps is worth 10. 6 ones is next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and each one of these is valued at a 1, 6 all together. 93, counting backwards by 10. 93, 83, 73, 63, 53. Okay, and that makes sense because 9 minus 4 is 5. That can kind of help you double check your work. So I'm at 53. Now I'll count backwards by ones. 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. So our final answer is 47. One more problem to do. So clean off your board and let's get ready to do it. 47 minus 33. Go ahead and write that down. Make your open number line. And you'll start at 47. And we'll start by jumping back 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. Each one of these is valued at 10. It's 30 altogether. And now we'll jump back 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Each one of these is worth a 1 or 3 altogether. Here we go. So I'll go back to the beginning. 47, 37, 27, 17. Write that down and stop. Now we'll count backwards by 1. 17, 16, 15, 14. 47 minus 33 is 14. And that's how you use an open number line to solve double-digit subtraction problems.